What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 3 of our beautiful silver Toyota Tacoma pickup that we picked up at Copart just a few short days ago. Man, this thing is absolutely beautiful. We've been working on it like a bunch of primitive cavemen, trying to get everything to come together. In the last video, you did see us just take your cutting torch and just swish that cross member off of this thing. We got it all off. We got our new one out. We're getting ready to weld it back on. So we got to get this sucker welded on. We got to get a test fit on the radiator support. We've got a lot to do. This truck is starting to come together and we want to get it done just as fast as we can. So we're going to stay on it. We're going to stay focused. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. Alrighty guys, things have been going absolutely phenomenal on this truck. We have been working like a boss, welding this sucker back on. It looks absolutely amazing, 100% OEM. The strongest part about this truck, you can pull it in two, can pull the frame completely in two. This cross member won't come off. So I think what we got to do now, we're gonna make a quick trip back up on the frame machine. We've got a little bit more pulling over here that we want to do, just a little bit. It just makes it so easy on the frame machine. So let's fire this sucker up. Let's get her up on the frame machine and start pulling. up, guys? It is a brand new day here. You notice that we got our truck back up on the frame machine. I thought when we had it up here the first time that there was maybe it was over just a little bit to the driver's side. I have confirmed all that. So let me show you what I'm dealing with. So check that out right there. You can see that gap is just a little bit wide. And then if we check the one on the passenger side, we see that gap is just a little bit narrow. So what we got to do is we got to hook up to these rails. We're going to hook it up right in here somewhere.'re going to jack the truck up. We're going to get it put on some blocks. We're going to get it all bucked down on the machine. And we're going to get these rails pulled over. So we're going to get this pulled over this way, which is going to widen up our gap here, narrow our gap over there. Going to make this truck 100% OEM. Can't wait to get it done. Let's get the truck jacked up. Let's get it bucked down. Let's get the tires off of it. Let's get to pulling. Just like that, we got this thing all up on blocks and all bucked down. We got it rigged up here for a good little pull. So we're gonna pull it a little bit. I don't know, maybe 5 tons or so right here. So let's pull it. Let's see what it does. Let's see if everything gets squared up. So let's hop to it. Alrighty guys, it is the next day here. We've got this truck up on the frame machine. We got all the pulling done. The radiator support is 100% square. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark our holes really quick, and we're going to pull that sucker off and get it all drilled so we can get it back on there and just check everything while we got it on the frame machine. And we thought, you know what, while we got the radiator support off, we bought some brand new upper control arms. And these suckers right here are made for a truck for 2 to 4 inch lift kit. We got to have that for this truck because we got some humongous wheels and tires that are going to go under this sucker. So we need all we can get. So we went ahead and bought these. And then our good friends at Torch Off-Road hooked us up with this 3 inch lift kit for the front. So you know what? We have worked with Torch a bunch of times. We did an install video just like this. Check the link here. It shows exactly how we did it. But what we're going to do while we got the radiator support off and we're drilling those holes, we're going to change out the control arms because it's just so much easier to get that big long bolt out. And while we're doing that, we might as well put our blocks in and get our front end lifted up. So you know what? That's enough talking. Let's start working. Alrighty guys, and just like that, that's how easy, quick, and simple that we can pull that suspension down and get that lift kit put in. It just took a minute. Kind of run out of time on drilling out our radiator support today to get it all welded on. So I think what we'll do is we'll probably just wrap that up and do that in the next one. So maybe we can get it all drilled out and get it put back on there, get a test fit on our brand new fender that we just got in, and do some of this other stuff, get a test fit on the front end, maybe test fit the bumper. That's what we need to do. So I think that that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like videos like this and you like this content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. If you like the build so far, leave us a comment and let us know. If you have a specific question about what we did or why we did it, always leave that in the comments. We always jump back to those. We read every one. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.